Have you ever stopped to think about how amazing our eyes are? They are gateways to a world brimming with color and vibrancy. Our eyes allow us to experience a vibrant world full of color. Imagine how colors bring everything to life, from the deep blue of the ocean to the bright green of a forest. Colors evoke emotions and memories. But how well can you really see color? How accurate is your perception of the myriad hues around you? Our eyes perceive color using special cells called cones, sensitive to different wavelengths of light. Most people have 3 types of cones, allowing us to see millions of shades of color, but some people have an extra type of cone, enabling them to see an even broader spectrum of colors. Let's explore the fascinating world of color vision and see how your eyesight measures up. Are you ready to discover the hidden depths of your color perception? Imagine a test that challenges your ability to distinguish between subtle shades of color. It's not just about seeing colors, it's about perceiving the minute differences that most people might overlook. This is what a color differentiation test does. It pushes the boundaries of your visual perception. It presents you with a series of colors and asks you to identify the one that's different. Sounds simple, right? But don't be fooled by its apparent simplicity. Well, it starts off easy. The initial stages are designed to build your confidence. The first stage usually has very distinct colors with a high success rate. It's almost like a warm-up. Most people can breeze through this part. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, but as you progress, the difficulty ramps up. The colors start to blend more closely. The second stage might introduce colors that are closer together, making you look a little closer. Your eyes need to work harder. By the third stage, you'll be squinting at the screen, trying to differentiate between what seem like nearly identical shades. And the fourth stage? Well, let's just say it's not for the faint of heart. It truly tests the limits of your sight and patience. For most of us, our color vision is limited by the 3 types of cones in our eyes. These cones are sensitive to red, green, and blue light, allowing us to perceive a wide range of colors by combining these primary colors. But there's a small percentage of the population that possesses a 4th type of cone. This additional cone is sensitive to a different part of the light spectrum, giving these individuals an extraordinary ability to see colors. These individuals are known as tetrachromats. They can distinguish between colors that look identical to the rest of us. Having a 4th cone is like having a superpower for color vision. It allows tetrachromats to experience the world in a way that's richer and more vibrant. Tetrachromats can see a spectrum of colors that's beyond our imagination. They can perceive subtle differences in shades and hues that are invisible to most of us. Imagine seeing tens of millions of colors instead of millions. What a sight that would be. The world would appear more detailed and nuanced. While scientists are still studying this amazing ability, it's estimated that tetrachromacy is incredibly rare. Research is ongoing to understand how this trait is inherited and how it affects perception. It's more common in women than men, but even then, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. The rarity of tetrachromacy makes it a fascinating subject for both scientists and artists alike. So, are you curious about your own color vision? There are online tests that claim to identify potential tetrachromats, though it's important to note that these tests aren't a substitute for professional eye exams. Whether you're a tetrachromat or not, appreciating the wonder of color vision is something we can all do. Take a moment to look around you and marvel at the incredible diversity of colors that surround us every day. Keep those eyes healthy, and who knows what amazing things you might see.